Today, as I entered the Bangmod Canal early in the morning, I think it was about 7 a.m., maybe before that, the first thing that caught my eye was one of the wonderful monitor lizards that lives in this area. So, in this video, I'm using what's called the Ken Burns effect, where I'll be using a series of photographs in which I guide your eyes to look at something. As you're looking at the photographs, it's like you're taking a walk with me on the canal, and you're seeing what I'm seeing. And I'd like you to pay attention to how are your eyes moving? Up or down, or left or right, in or out. And then as you notice what your eyes are doing, notice how you feel in your body as you go through these photographs. The gentle flow of life on the canal feels in rhythm with itself. It's found by a side road on the outskirts of Bangkok. Folks are here and there, all spread out, and usually smiling as I walk by, going about their morning routines. The monitor lizards dash into shadows or across the width of the canal, never wanting the presence of people too near.